This is one question from the chapter coordinate geometry. It says that A, B, C are the three vertices of a right angle triangle. Mention that angle B is 90 degree, and we have to find the value of T. Well, for that, let's first make a right angle triangle. If I make a right angle triangle, keeping in mind that here B is 90 degree. So we made a right angle triangle here, and this point is B. I have to take this B and this being A and C can be written in any order. We are given the coordinate of A, as I can see in the figure, it's given mentioned that the point A whose coordinate is 5, 2, that of B mentioned as 2 minus 2, and C which is mentioned as minus 2 T. Now we are going to use two concepts here. One, the Pythagoras relation, that is square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. In the second, we'll be using distance formula. That is, it says that distance between any 2 points. That is, say, between 2 points whose coordinate is x1, y1 and x2, y2 can be written as x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So let's begin with finding the distance. I'm first finding AB. So since we are getting AB square here, right, we know we do not require an under root on the other side. This we don't need. So AB square is what? Say if I use this x2 minus x1 whole square. So this is 2 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So it's going to be minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 whole square. That results to give us, this is minus 3 whole square, which is 9. And this is minus 4 whole square, that is 25. So we'll get AB as, sorry, this is 16. I did it directly. This is actually 4 is 16. So 16, and that comes out to be 25. Now do not find its under root because we need AB, not we need AB square and not AB. Once we have obtained AB square, next I'm going to get say BC. Now if I are using the same relation, BC square I'm going to get, that is sorry, this is BC. So for here I'm going to use again, considering this to be 2 and this is 1. So it's y2 minus y1 whole square, sorry, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus minus plus, right? T minus minus plus is plus T whole square. On expansion, what we can say, this is minus minus 4, that is 16. And this on expanding, apply A plus B whole square. So what I'm going to do here is I'm applying A plus B whole square. So this I'll get as what? That is A square, which is T, plus 2AB, which is 4T, plus B square, which is 4. Now, once we have obtained AB square and BC square, the last thing that we have to get is AC square. I'm going to get AC square here. So AC square, same way as we have got the other two, AC square if I get. So this is, say, for example, this is 2 and this is 1. Doesn't make difference. Even if I take this as 2 and this is 1, that's fine. So this is y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2, that is t minus 2 whole square. On further simplification, you can say this is minus 7 whole square, which is positive 49. And like the previous part, here also I'm going to expand this using a plus b whole square. That is, sorry, a minus b whole square. A square minus 2 times a into b plus b square. Now, once we have obtained, that is the, we have obtained here. Let me show you. We have obtained AC, we have obtained AB, when we have to BC. And I'm going to plug in here these values. This is BC square. So if I place this, I'm going to eliminate the remaining part. Let's say I clean this. We have obtained BC and we have obtained AC as well. Now, as I said, we are going to place these values on these relations to evaluate AC. AC is from here. So AC square, that's how I'm taking this AC square. This is AC square. I placed it here. AC square is equal to, so I placed an equal to sign, AB square. AB square we got as how much? 25. So let's say this is AB square. And then we have BC square. BC is what? This is BC. We got BC square as well, like this. This is what we got from AB, AB, BC, AC. Now I can see I can reduce this. I can see that T square and T square get cancelled, and positive 4 get cancelled. Further, if I transpose these numbers, so what I'm going to do, 49 I'll keep on this side, and I'll transpose this number. This is how much? 25 plus 16. So if this is how much? 24 pi plus 16. If I transpose on this side, it's minus, minus. Now this is minus 40 and this is minus 40. I can write this as 8t. So I'm going to do further simplification. So if I subtract from 49, we'll subtract 25. And then we are going to also subtract 16. So that will give us 8. So 8 is equal to 8t. So we can say t is equal to 1. So we'll say that the value of t is 1. That is this one.